Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find effects template on the FilmMaker application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This is the first page, and if you want to start a new project, click to the new project button, but in the project section you can find your old videos and project. New, actually, I want to find a template, so I go to the asset library option at the upper side of the screen, and in the lower bar you can find the effect option, and you can find different effects, and for example shake, film, glitter, leak and others. And if you want to select one, click that and you can use. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.